Hi, I'm Tressa. I have been in Jennifer's LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind for over a year now, and it has been incredible. Jennifer is brilliant. Not only does she teach you how to post on LinkedIn, which then you can do on other social media platforms as well, but she teaches you the why behind it. She gives you the tools and the strategies that you need to create a plan so that you can post consistently. You can schedule out what you need to and have it all ready to go. I create a whole month's worth of content, and then I can repeat and reuse and recycle so many of my posts over several months' time. It has been so amazing. I have more followers, I have more interaction on my posts, and my business is starting to grow. It's really quite amazing. I think that you will find working with her is really a joy and a blessing, and you'll just learn so much.